Hola, amigos. Okay, we'll see you later. See you later. Hola, amigos, amigas from Ajijic here in the lakeside area. Now, a neighbor of mine, he just walked in a house. This lightning has been going on we were talking for 15 minutes. Now, how do I know there's lightning too? Because I saw lightning bolts. And this has been going on. He said he's never seen anything like this, and I haven't either. So something is going on. This, you watch, I'm gonna keep running this video. I've never seen anything like this. And this gentleman's from Colorado and Texas. He's never seen anything like this. He just walked in. He pointed it out to me. I didn't see it until I talked with him. This has been going on for probably 15 to 20 minutes already. He thinks it's about 10 miles out. I asked him, I said, well, how far do you think it is? And he thinks it's about 10 miles out. But I guess we'll find out more at some point. I've never seen anything like this either. Look at that. And I do know there's lightning there because I saw the lightning bolts. If anyone knows anything about this, please put something in the comment section, because my neighbor and I, we just can't figure it out. This has been going for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, with that, I'm going to close this video. Thanks for viewing, everyone. Buenas noches. Have a great night. And once again, wow, that really... I did see lightning bolts before I started this video. Okay, with that, from Ajijic here in the lakeside area, thanks for viewing. Buenas noches. And well, before I forget, I want to say again, if anyone knows something about that, please leave a comment in the comment section and give me some information. Thanks and have a great night.